Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to add headers and footers to multiple PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Sometimes you may need to add headers or footers to multiple PDF documents. Adobe Acrobat Pro enables batch processing for headers and footers across multiple PDFs. To ensure the process runs smoothly, consolidate all target files into a single folder before starting. Let's look at how to add headers and footers to multiple PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, put all the PDF documents that need to have headers or footers on them into one folder. Right-click one of the files in the folder, hover over Open With, and click Adobe Acrobat. In the upper right, type New Action in the Find Text and Tools search box. Click on New Action under Tools. In the Create New Action dialog box under Action Steps to Show, click the folder under Currently Open File as default. Choose the folder that holds the documents that you want to add a header or footer to and click OK in the bottom right corner. In the Create New Action dialog box under Choose Tools to Add, click on Pages and then click on Add Header and Footer. Click the plus sign between Choose Tools to Add and Action Steps to Show. Under Action Steps to Show, click Specify Settings under Add Header and Footer. Add your header or footer text to the text box of the location you want it in. Adjust the font and margins. You may need to add soft returns in your header and footer text by hitting the Shift and Enter keys. Once you are done making the adjustments, click OK in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Back on the Create New Action screen, uncheck the box to prompt users under Add Header and Footer. Under Choose Tools to Add, scroll down and click on Save and Export and click on Save. Click the plus sign between Choose Tools to Add and Action Steps to Show. Under Action Steps to Show, click Specify Settings under Save. Make sure the output settings are set to keep the original file names and save file or files as Adobe PDF and click OK in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Click Save in the bottom right corner of the Create New Action dialog box. Title the new action and click Save. Click on the new action that was created. In the navigation pane to the left, click on Start at the bottom. A security message may pop up once. Click Allow on it. Click Done in the bottom right corner of the left navigation pane. Do you have questions about using Adobe Acrobat Pro? The contact information is listed here, and a step-by-step guide is available through the link in the description.